Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Capital One for virtual card numbers, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started, visit the Capital One official website. Log into your Capital One account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and set up your login credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Look for the option labeled Virtual Card Numbers or Virtual Cards. Click on this option to access the Virtual Card Management feature. You may need to agree to terms and conditions before proceeding. Once you accept, you will be presented with your virtual card number options. Choose the option to generate a new virtual card number. The system may prompt you to specify the spending limit or expiration date. Enter any requested information and confirm your choices. Your new virtual card number will be displayed on the screen. Make sure to note down or copy the virtual card number securely. You can now use this number for online purchases safely. If you need to manage your virtual card numbers in the future, return to the same section. Here, you can view existing virtual card numbers, set limits, or deactivate them as needed. Ensure to keep track of your virtual cards to maintain your financial security. Remember to log out of your Capital One account when finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.